Elevating the world of business. Located at one of the most prime and prestigious area of Navi Mumbai, Plutonium Business Park is fated to emerge as the most preferred landmark for all the IT, ITES and MNCs in the city. Plutonium Business Park by Plutonium Group, Navi Mumbai with Rafiq Merchant. If convenience is the key, here is the master, a special economic zone blessed with a strategic location close to Turbhe railway station. We are at Turbhe railway station, and this is very well connected to Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Thane, and has grown as a major business hub. It is a location of infinite possibilities. We are right next to IKEA. The Plutonium Business Park stands out at Turbhe, Navi Mumbai, with a destination of tomorrow right bang on Thane Belapur Road. It's a joint venture between Presti, Deep and Millennium Group. The ground and the first is the retail commercial showroom spaces. Now you have 4 levels of covered car parking, and on the 6th level you have amenities, and on the 7th level you have office spaces starting. The grand entrance lobby is getting ready, the grand entrance foyer with 30 feet ceiling height, and you have 12 modern high-speed elevators plus the 2 service elevators. So there'll be expansive waiting area for the office goers and for the office people and for the business owners. Now we're standing at the 1900 square feet retail commercial showroom. Now this is very coveted and rare, and this is 16 feet ceiling height. You get it for 6.5 crores plus taxes. Very rare. This will go before you can say Jack Robinson. And if you want Plutonium Business Park to manage and lease it for you, they'll do it for you for a 7% ROI. A magnificent 7% is huge. Now you'll be surprised to know there are not 300, not 400, there are more than 750 plus car parking spaces. And that is covered too at Plutonium Business Park, and wide passages for your cars to move in and out through. And also you got 4 levels of car parking for your 750 plus car parking. Wow! Keeping in mind the needs and aspirations of today's entrepreneurs, these workspaces at Plutonium Business Park are designed to boost the productivity of work and its ergonomics. Now these are 13.5 feet ceiling height with great view, lot of open air and sunlight, 1750 square feet office space, which we are at the moment. Now this is 3 crores 20 lakhs plus taxes. This is the 4000 square feet office space, which is for 7 crore plus taxes on a higher floor with a lot of sunlight and giving you great ergonomics, which is Plutonium Business Park by Plutonium Group. Your office spaces, which magnifies and elevates your stature, starts from 1450. So 1450 square feet, 1750 also available, and then you can go up to 4000 square feet office spaces. And if you want a large, big floor plate, that is also available of 25,000 square feet, which we are at this moment and at this time. And the 25,000 square feet office space is for 50 crores. Plutonium Business Park is a corporate landmark that will meet your business aspirations. Plutonium Business Park has lovely amenities on the 6th level, such as spa to rejuvenate yourself, cafe for all its residents and the office goers, and also you got a lovely fitness center as well as billiards and snookers. What you have on the 6th level is also 17,000 square feet open to sky lounge, along with 10,000 square feet restaurant. So total is 27,000 square feet fine dining restaurant and lounge for you to have a great running business. Think Plutonium, think success. Plutonium's vision is to create the perfect home for the modern businesses of Mumbai. From brilliant design to stunning facade and state-of-the-art amenities to finest specifications, each element has been designed to create a marvelous commercial landmark. 80% work has been completed, and the OC will be received by December 2024, and you will have maximum footfall due to and because of the neighboring IKEA showroom. It is very well connected to the key hubs of the city. For example, Nariman Point 50 minutes, BKC 40 minutes, Navi Mumbai International Airport 15 minutes, Kalyan and Dombivli 40 minutes, Thane Panvel 25 minutes. Road connectivity is also superior. For example, Sion Panvel Expressway 16 minutes, proposed Kharghar Turbhe Tunnel 5 minutes, Thane Belapur Road 5 minutes, proposed Mumbai Trans Harbour Link 40 minutes. Rail connectivity is also amazing. For example, Turbhe railway station is just 5 minutes, Vashi railway station 13 minutes. It is adjoining to proposed metro route connecting Navi Mumbai International Airport to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Airport. Plutonium Business Park by Plutonium Group, Navi Mumbai with Rafiq Merchant.